And today we're going to see about child process and parent process protocol using forks. This is nothing but opening to like one or more applications in the program by defining their pathway. So this is general structure of here. We've used two switch cases. Um, And then before that we have the main program. In that we have declared all the variables and the function, and then we have given a path ID to add the child process, and then uh, we've used switch cases. First switch case is nothing but displaying the child process has not been created yet, and then the second process we create the child process by giving their pathway, and uh, the control then after the child process gets like after the application is getting displayed, we give the control back to the parent process and exit the first switch case, and then we gave a default timing of 10 seconds sleep time where the program is like nothing displays, no process takes place, and after 10 seconds second child is created. Before that, if in case the first child is not getting terminated, then we give a command of WNOHANG where the command gets terminated on its own even if the sleep is not working. And then we kill the pathway of the first child. Then we create the second child using a different switch case where first case you'll display like right as the second child is not being created, and then you break the case and then go to the next case where you get the pathway ID of the second child, and once the path ID is given, and this makes the second child to get displayed, and then we give a sleep time of 20 seconds. In case if the application is not getting terminated, we use again the WNOHANG command to terminate on its own, and then exit. Okay, this is our part. If you have any uh, uh, like the termination process is not proper, you can go for abnormal terminations where all of a sudden it gets terminated. We have done it using NSIP cases. Okay. Over here in this program, we've made use of Photos application and Mozilla Firefox application as first and second child respectively. So first we have to declare all the header files and main function. Inside the main function we've used two functions called variables where one is in integer data type, another is in pointer, and then we have given variables for the pathway of photo and the Firefox, and then we made use of fork. Fork is nothing but to call the function, call the application, and then uh, first switch case is for the first child, switch S is for the first child. Here it is photos. So case 1, we have displayed that process is not created, and then we create the first child. Over here, EXESLT is nothing but it is like it executes the pathway, and uh, it defines the pathway. Like I can tell you in a much colloquial way to make you understand. The genome photo is nothing but like until user bin genome photo is nothing but the pathway of the application alone, and the home student document ABCD is nothing but the pathway of the particular picture that I want to display. Okay, photo. This is for the photo application, and ABCD is nothing but the photo which I want to display, and I'm given the format in which the photo is present. Okay, you can check all these properties. Check all the pathway in the properties of each. Like if you want to check the pathway of application, you need to go to the properties of photo and then check it. If you want to see the pathway of the picture, you have to go to the JPEG, go to the documents and check it. Okay, and then for properties, and you can check it. And then we've used, as I told before, we've used a sleep time of 10 seconds, after which the process has to terminate on its own. If it's not going to get terminated, we use the WNOHANG command, and then we kill the pathway of the first photo, and normal termination takes place. Second, we create the second child, again using the fork. Um, Now what we have done is case 1, child is not created, second child is not created. Go to the second case where we have given the path ID of the Mozilla Firefox. Second child is going to be Mozilla Firefox in our case. It's just the application, and if you want to open particular website in Mozilla Firefox, you can give also the website of it. Over here we've used VITac.in.com, which is the official website of VIT College of Engineering, VIT Institute of Technology, sorry. And then we exit and give a sleep time of 20 seconds, and then if it's not going to get terminated, again we use the WNOHANG command to terminate on its own. Okay, thank you.